Okay, assalamu alaikum students. So since the Zoom class was not, I was not able to take it because of this network issue. So I hope it gets fixed by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, inshallah. So as I was explaining, I already explained example number 3. The solution is already on page 118. So now I'm going to explain example 5 from page 119. Okay, page 119. So how to solve this type of problem? Usually these are algebraic fractions. This has been an equation. I need to find out the value of the variable. Now what are the variables? The x, y and z. Whatever is used in the equation, I need to find out the value of variable. So if you have one equation, that means you need to find out the value of one variable. Okay. So here you can see 3x plus 7 by 4 plus 5x minus 4 by 7 equals to x plus 3 1 by 2. So here I need to find out the value of x. So how can I find out the value of x? First of all, the main technique is we need to get the x, all the x values to the left side and all the numbers to the right side. So how can we solve it? We can, since you can see here there are algebraic fractions, so we need to solve the fraction as normally we do. Like we need to find out the LCM, then we solve the fractions, and finally we get the value. So this is how also it is going to work over here as well. Okay. So first line. First of all, I need to find out the LCM of 4 and 7. As in we do in normal fractions. First find out the LCM. So 4 and 7, since both are like co-prime numbers, that means the LCM will be just the product of these two numbers. So 4 and 7 is LCM will be 28. Okay. Now 28 divided by 4 is 7, and this 7 gets multiplied with the numerator. So 7 into 3x plus 7 plus, then this 28 divided by 7 is 4. This 4 gets multiplied with the numerator. 4 into 5x minus 4 equals to, remember, in any equation, in any algebraic equation, we need to use an or. Since there is already an equal sign, so in the beginning we need to use either this sign or sign. You can use either of these two signs. Okay. So I'm using this sign. Equals to x plus, if we convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 by 2. I'm sure you must know how to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, right? Thus the denominator stays as it is, then 2 into, in the numerator, 2 into 3 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, so 7 by 2. Okay, next. So the LCM stays as it is, 28. Let us solve the numerator part of it, simplify it. So 7 into 3x is 21x, then plus 7 into 7 is 49, plus 4 into 5x is 20x, then plus into minus is minus, 4 into 4 is 16, equals to x. If we just do like solve this fraction as well, since there is 1 in the denominator part of x, so we can say 2 is the LCM over here. Then 2 divided by 1 is 2, 2 into x is 2x. Then plus sign comes as it is, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 into 7 is 7. So this is how it's going to be. Just I have done added this fraction and x. Okay. So first I need to take LCM of these two, 1 and 2. The LCM is 2. Then 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 into x is 2x. plus the 2 divided by 2 is 1, 1 into 7 is 7. Okay, so let's simplify. 21x plus 20x is 41x, then 49 minus 16, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, then 4 minus 1 is 3, so 33 divided by 28 equals to 2x plus 7 divided by 2. Okay, now I'm erasing the first two lines. Okay, now what we need to do, since we have fractions in both sides, we need to do what? Cross multiplication. Okay, so 28 gets multiplied with this, 2 gets multiplied with this. So we can write or 2 gets multiplied with the numerator one. So 2 into 41x plus 33 equals to 28 into 2x plus 7, or multiply 82x 2 into 33 is 66 equals to 28 into 2x is 56x, 28 into 7 to multiply that, so 28 into 7, 8 7 plus 56, 7 to the 14 plus 5, 18, so 6. The next task is I need to get all the x's to the left side, the numbers to the right side. So, or 82x minus 56x equals to 196 minus 66. This is the next two lines as well. Finally, what do we get? 12 minus 6 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 26x equals to 6 minus 6 is 0, 19 minus 6 is 13. Okay. Or x equals to 130 divided by 26. So if you multiply 130 divided by 26, 26 into 5, 6 5s are 30, 3 5 2 are 10 plus 3 13. So x equals to 5. This is my answer. Okay. So this is how we can find out the value of x. Alright. So first what we needed to do, first of all, since they were algebraic fractions, what we did is we first of all did the necessary LCM work. After doing the LCM work, we simplified it. After simplification, we got two fractions on opposite sides of the equal sign. Okay. On the left hand side also we got an algebraic fraction. On the right hand side also we got an algebraic fraction. So next we cross multiply. So this 2 got multiplied with this and 28 gets multiplied with this. Finally we get 82x plus 66 equal to 56x plus 196. The next work is we move the x to the left side. All the x's will move to the left side and the numbers to the right side. So 82x minus 56x equals to 26x, 26x equal to 130, finally x equals to 5. Okay. Okay, before going, I will explain one more problem from exercise 7.1. Okay, so let's start with number 14. number 14, the question was y minus 2 by 4 plus 2y minus 1 by 3 equals to y minus 1 by 3. So this is also a similar type of problem where you need to do LCM, then simplify it, then cross multiply, and finally we move it on to the numbers. All the y values to the left side, numbers to the right side, and it gets solved. So let's start with LCM. So 4 into 3, the LCM is what? 12. Okay, so 12 divided by 4 is 3 into the numerator, plus 12 divided by 3 is 4, then 4 into the numerator, equals to, if you solve this as well, there is 1 in between it, so 3 gets the LCM, 3 divided by 1 is 3, 3 into y, 3y, the minus sign, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, that's it. The next line, what we can do? Actually, there is a shortcut. If you see this denominator and this denominator, if we can reduce, it's the problem gets more easier. If you have this denominator and this denominator, if they are divisible, like we can reduce them, then we can just do it, solve the problem more easily. We don't need to do the cross multiplication. Let's say 3 ones are is 3, 3 fours are is 12. Okay, so what I did is I just reduced, I just divided both the numbers with the same number. Okay, so if this is possible, whenever you see the fraction, if we can reduce them, it's better to reduce so that my problem gets easier. Okay, next, this 4, now what do we have over here? We just have 4, and over here we just have 1. So now it will get more easier. So we just simplify the numerator part, 3 into y minus 2. So 3y minus 6 plus 4 into 2y is 8y minus 4 into 1 is 4 by 4 equals to 3y minus 1. Okay? Since we have the a 1 in denominator, so we don't need to write it. So finally, next what we do is this 4 gets multiplied with the opposite side. Okay, so what we can write now? 3y plus 8y is 11y, minus 6 minus 4 is 10. Okay, and this 4 gets multiplied with this part, so 4 into 3y is 12y, minus sign, then again this 4 gets multiplied with 1, so it becomes 4. Now the remaining part is to get the y to the all the y values to the left side and the numbers to the right side. So 11y minus 12y equals to this 10. Well, if it shifts to the right side, it becomes positive. So 10 minus 4, or minus y equals to 6. So if you have this type of value, where you have minus y equal to 6, the next line what we will do is you just shift the minus sign to the right side. So we can write or y equals to minus 6. This is the answer for this particular problem. If you have minus y equal to 6, what you need to do is just shift the y to the negative sign to the right side. Okay, and you will get the answer. So this is the solution for number 14. Okay. So as a part of your homework, please start. So I have just discussed the difficult ones. The others are more easier because 1, 2 and 3 or 4, you don't even need to do LCM. The thing which you need to do is what? You just shift the x values to the left side and the number to the right side, and you will get the value of x. So I'll just solve the difficult ones so that the others you can understand easily. Okay. So Your homework will be, I'm erasing this part. Homework. Solve all the activities from page 120. And from exercise 7.1, 1, 7, 2, and 9. Solve this. Okay. Activity from page 120, 1, 2, 3, exercise 7.1, 1, 7, 2, 8, 9. Okay. Solve this and send it to me on WhatsApp. Alright. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.